So Queen the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you. Because I see message to Queen the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you. Message to Queen the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you. Message to Queen the god. Message to Queen the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you.
Hello guys,
Message
how
to
na day?
Queen the goddaughter of
I will say I
Rita.
I
My
share this
sister,
video.
I say make I leave this message for you.
So say I share
Because
this
I see the way
video.
to the
Make way that they write video now. I be want do it for all the page. I don't know why they always forget this thing. I wanna say my amazing people. Na good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. I wanna day.
something for this
I wanna say trouble they sleep. Young girl want go wake am. Wetin she dey find? Wahala she dey find. Palava she go get you. I wanna say, oh my amazing lovers. I wanna say, how they go. Please guys, join. Join, share with your loved ones, share with your neighbor. May una come listen to na two things I want play for this video. One na how Monica take dey pay. How Monica take dey pay bloggers, they pay people to come dey bully presenters. Yeah? How Monica can't take go do video hide. They share money where nobody send her, where nobody ask her, because now she cause problem for grant for herself. She cause problem for herself, finish, she run go YouTube, go they hide, they do video. Come start to they pay bloggers. They pay bullies, but they can't they bully innocent Edo people. So my amazing people, as you are joining, please do me a favor. Love and like and share my video, okay? Share my video. See, I'm not put on. Oh, how will I do this now? Supposed to, I be make I end this video, come back. Supposed to share this video to my other pages. Supposed to do and make the show for everywhere. Make day everywhere, but nevertheless, we don't start. May we just continue. Thanks for joining, Mama Love. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining my video. Make una come on many things there we want to talk about. I did on my own. Oh. I hear say the shortest woman for Italy. They say she do video for me. That my person where you draw my attention to that video. God bless you, my lady. You know, say me. I never even see time or chance do better thing finish. I can't go the work. I never even go present a platform. Present a way be say get meat for body. Or present a way get something when I go feel need. I never go their platform finish. Present a way get what I go feel even like you understand what I go use. I never go there finish. Now this shortest woman in Italy platform now I can't go the waka they do shere cambia. No. I always go to platform when I know say yes. Wa say wa umimi lo umimi you understand? Even if you are good in analysis, wa say wa umimi analyze. A platform a local ministic dirty agbin we get na be wa bege na ekwe. Una they get me. So I think I will start. I don't know if I should start with our own or make I start with Monica own. The video where Monica take go the beg fake accounts are bullies. May they come they fight Edo people. May they come they drag people mama, they drag people papa. I believe so now see the way all of them they craze up and down, they run up and down. You feel say, oh, those things where they do, they are doing it for love. No, they were paid to do it. Yeah, they were paid to do it. Monica not get lovers again. Monica not say she herself, she knows say nobody love her anymore. So now she paid to get support. She pay to get love. She pay anything where she dey do, she dey pay. And at the video now I want play for now. So I just want to know, should we start with Monica? Okay, maybe we'll start with Monica video. Then before we go come enter this shortest woman in Italy, where they call my name, they message me. Matter. So you know even if you see the other activity on the wall. Oh voila. I dey come to your own. So let's go there. More listen to Monica. How she take go the beg people for YouTube. May they come fight for her. Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Rita, the best analyzer. Thanks for joining. Please, guys, more let me thumbs up this video.
You see, it's going to be in the evening like this. So definitely, Mama Constant, Mommy, ooh, Becky, yeah.
So my people, for those who just they join, we don't know what Monica they measure, Constant, Becky. These are Monica bloggers where she they feed. Where she they feed their parents for herbs. And she they use them, they do a dirty work on Edo cyberspace. She they use them bully innocent Edo people. She they use the bully who no near her, who no find her, who no look for her. You understand? So when you see these people dragging innocent Edo citizens online, you go even say, I bet this person get issue with them. The bitter truth is that nobody get issue with these people. Anything you see them do, that they fight, that they drag, they were being paid. These people don't even like Monica. They don't even love Monica. They not even send Monica. They are all there for the money. Monica, they pay them to go to bully innocent people. Please, my people, as you are joining, thumbs up, okay? Because a lot of people don't know say I do online, because I not just write. I not write down say I'll come online this morning. So please, more than me thumbs up this video so that I go out, so that a lot of people go see them. So may we listen to them. More listen to Monica where she they can't people name where she want give money to come the bully innocent Edo people. And if you look now day before yesterday she do this video, and if you see since that day before yesterday, you go fit testify with the job where this Avenue Zansina. You can testify with how they have been bullying innocent people on Edo cyberspace. Because they were paid to do so. So Mona listen to their names. If you hear their name and you know say they get platform and they have been bullying you for that platform, just know that they have been paid to bully you. Okay? They are not doing it because they love the Monica. They are not doing it because they want to support Monica. They are not doing it because Monica is right or wrong on what she's doing on Edo cyberspace. They are doing it because they have been paid. Even some of them, they Europe. So even marry Oibo. So may not be like say na me quit talking. Or na be better. As I just relax, so now so I will tell the talk. Now go hear their name and their occupation and how much they pay them to come disgrace themselves and their family on Edo cyberspace. So as you join the video, please do me a favor, love and like and share. All right, let's go there.
Tomorrow, why are we still doing? And tomorrow video now is going to be in the evening, but not this late. I'm going to school tomorrow. You see, it's going to be in the evening like this. So definitely, Mama Constant, Mommy, Ooh, Becky. Yes. Okay. Miss Sugar, a normal bed, Ziki. Okay. Then the other one, okay. Oh yeah, the Naigari now. Okay, Ziki.
Guys, thumbs up, okay, and share. All these names, so where she they mention, so all these are all names of her fake accounts. A bully squad. People where they drag no near them. Now their name she they mention so. And why was she calling their name? She won't share money for them. Okay?
Miss Sugar? Miss Sugar? Miss Sugar? Spicy?
And people, please thumbs up. Please.
Monica had too soft. Oh, she was really nice. I also saw some of her things. It was really nice. Monica had too soft. It's too soft too. Monica hat.
That one a name of fake account.
Monica hat too soft.
Our workers.
Hello, my lady Kester. God bless you. How are you? Okay, Mama Joe Koro Semo give them Baba Infinity. Baba na Baba.
Now this Infinity, yo, now even surprise me. Now this Infinity, yo, now surprise me safe. And not be only Infinity, yo. There are some people where she mentioned, even people where married to Oyibo. So you mean say Infinity where they send her daughter, where they say they work, is a working class man. So you mean say he also they stay queue, they stay line. May Monica give her money, take shop, take feed the mama where they house, take feed the junior ones where they house. My people have been ask me say how much be the money now? 10,000 naira. Huh? Salobua. Person where they UK. I be where they say they Dublin. I be where they. No UK according to Asaboro. Person where they UK. Somebody say no reach. You know this €1 per person. Una they get me. You say how much is she paying them? Is it up to €1,000? I said 10,000 naira. Where €1,000? Who dash them? Monica with 1,000. She get €1,000. My amazing people. Even Infinity. Ikanasa borona wa money dia. Igeto money dia gwezoni gialo. If a doctor that based in UK can line up for 10,000 naira giveaway. Hey, mona de year. Am I soon?
Baba.
Even
I love you too.
Mama, but yes,
Monica had to solve the vote for you. They said they see your handwork for grand. Okay, let's see more vote. Did you see that jealous people Google Yeki? Costa Constant, yeah, Ziki, Fetanyano, Beta Piki, Pobre Dominio Sale, yeah. Those are very, 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 you all are amazing.
Waiting there, Monica, this is the reason why I hate you. God say me they know they hate. This is why I dislike you. They are so amazing. Waiting there, they are amazing for. Waiting they good at. because say that they feel they drag people parents, drag innocent children, write RIP, follow children, both old parents, everything. This one man not be said that they even they do it to one person or talk less or say we go say, oh, now one person that they do. They are doing it to all the media. Except only you. They are doing this to all the media except only you. And you are as you they compliment, that is, you they give the accolade, yeah? Say they are doing a great job. Say this girl is the most useless person on earth. Only ye did see your moon. Mona wait. Now that one will take finish this video. It did you understand? Them amazing for her to use. Yes. These people are always dragging families, innocent people. And Monica, they give them accolade, they give them money. They share money for them, they tell them job well done. But if another person, they do this thing where then they do so. They'll say you want to spoil those cyberspace. They'll say you they do bad thing. Then go say you they do this, you they do that. Yes, somebody say I heard not correct. Imagine her paying bullies. Yes. Maybe say now another person they do and so. As she or they do and so. And Matt, that big tongue where they say she get, she go twist and come at. Can't they condemn that act? But she they do and now she don't see anything wrong in it. There are some people, if you give them 100,000, they feel go buy human being for you. Some people, if you give them even 50,000, say you book the 100,000, give her 50,000 first, say if you do and finish, I'll give your balance. They feel go buy person for you for 50,000. Those are the people Monica have around her. And she's even happy about it. She dey happy. Even this one way Matt Long, so the shortest woman in Italy, so her name was also mentioned. So where is the love one claim so una get for her? So I wish she know they pay una for now they come out, they even they support her. So all those craze one they craze. Now because of say she they pay una. That is why una they always they quickly they turn una back on her. If she see say una no send her again, the next thing she go run come outside, come they give una money. And many of una no can get sense say this money where she they give una so she's using it to disgrace you people. Yes. She's using it to disgrace you people. This one I not be even say she do give away for her fans. No. If me they do give away for you, una dey see her. I'll just tell people, drop your account. Even if na 30 people now watch that video, then even if na 20 benefit inside. So most of my giveaway, people will not even be my fans. Now the benefit pass. Because a lot of my fans want me be here. Now they even they give me. Guys, please thumbs up this video that they flag up. Now them they even they give me. Una they get me so. Monica go for say she want to give away. She want to do this one. Whereas na lie. She even the right name. And imagine people they there where be say they not be bullies where they follow Monica. They don't they follow her for years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They not be bully. But she not call their name. Those ones even need help more than these bullies. She not call those ones name. She not they give those ones giveaway. She not they write their name for book. But you see you wait just they fight. Who not near you? They drag people. You forget, say people, parents People, children, won't they drag. Thanks for joining my lady Sylvia. People, children, won't they drag. A day will come, your real face go come out. Those people will sue you. Any company where you they work, they will drag you and make sure you lose your job. That time, you know they work again for Monica. That time, you not go see where I run to. Because many of una feel say, una way be all these bullies where they hide. Una feel say, na the same crime where hold una, na whole presenter. No. There is a big difference, and you must know this because many of una brain they work go back. You understand? He say, if she even give the peanut. Yes, now. Una they get me, so many of these are bloggers. Their brain they work go back. How their brain they work go back? You will come see presenter now. Matt presenter picture. The sagara. You will put yourself. You forget say presenter like this shortest woman in Italy. So when me they talk to so where I put her picture so. I think this is the first time I'm talking to her. Yeah. Why? Because she did a video to me. She do video to me, call my name, which I will play the video. That was how. He said, dwarf one of Italy. Yes, now she short passport. This or Italy. Una they get me. She did a video to me, which is okay. Now video she do to me, I will get to that very soon after Monica will go enter home. So if anyhow I take beat this one now, she not get one thing where she go fit do about her. She go need to use the beating, eat, sleep, bath, do anything where she want to. She go collect the beating freely. Yes, because she talked to me, I talk to her. Now so it be for most presenters where una will be fake account they see. But you see you fake account where be say presenter where they bully their parents, they bully their children, you even they bully their husband, they bully them. They don't know you before. Then you and they not get banamish. Una no day one house. If that presenter sue you, you go pay, you go tire. Believe it or leave it. You go pay, you go tire. I think they tell now these things now. Many of them go feel say, no level, boy day, no problem. When that time come, you go see her, you go feel her, you go experience her. Your mind go day. They not the third person. Your mind go day. We have different type of presenters. We get presenter where we say, if you do there's something, they prefer to online video talk back to you. We get some presenters. If you do there's something, 300 years you never finish. They will define you, they go. The day where they go see you. Now only you by yourself go come they talk, waiting you see. Now only you by yourself go come they talk, waiting you see. Only you that fake account so. You now you will come outside. You will come they do live video for that your fake account. They explain waiting presenter they do you. You will pay, you will tire. I move one on the phone say una to the imagine since una don't they bully people who don't buy. Who una don't feel pursue enter us. Who una don't feel remove food for a month. You people are a bunch of empty vessel. Una they make noise. No level for una. No level for una. If Monica, when your husband not get occupation, go feed they pay medical doctor for UK 10,000 naira. And that one come out for live video or for Facebook, come begin the drag who no drag. Many you all are useless. Many you people are useless. So without you, they not give una money, una not go do something. The other one where they call Becky Ekia blog, that one go bring a bag of rice, come and say, last year they give the bag of rice with fowl. Yo, Sammy. Mona listen further, my people.
Sally beta piki. just now progress.
I mean, perhaps now they hear when. Or should I on my speaker?
Fetaniano.
May I on my speaker? I think I should on my speaker. You give me a speaker now you talk.
It is so long.
That's I'm coming, okay? I want on my speaker so that it go there. Okay, click on it. That's good. There we go. I say bye.
Bye. Baba na baba. I love you too. Monica had two sons. They vote for you. They said that I think it's okay so there will not be too more. Mommy Susie, Mama, Dr. Joy, bless her.
Mother, yeah. Even the one where they benjo, I ever the one. Yeah. Then you go come see them online. They go come they fight. You where they look, they will call the imagine say. He said they even give Mama HIV alias Mama Boy. If they come they fight, my people, you go feel saying they really love the Monica. You go they feel saying a genuine love that they do what they do. Whereas they have been paid to do all those things. And Monica know what she they do. This thing where Monica do so, she not do herself to even take support those people. She do her to take for their hand. Yes, I know Monica very well. She do her to take for their hand to let the whole world know say she dey feed a lot of them. If not, waiting go make woman wey dey Europe. Abi waiting wey dey Benjo go dey collect money for Monica hand. After 30 years for abroad. This will not be even Idare where we'll talk say, okay, Idare new con, they need assistance, they need support. These people don't date for years. They don't date abroad for years. They don't date for years. Now Monica now can they share money for them. Now be say these people really condemn them. Have a condemn Gusuma, have a condemn Ayon. And now who are my people and matter my way night time because as me who don't dare so me no fit line up give away of 10,000 to even 50,000 give away. You no fit see me there. You cannot see me there. Let them be dash or whatever. I go shift. Even though you won't give me, I go call you, tell you say, my person, that money so where you won't give me, no you stress yourself. Add that joy may reach more people hand. Now what I will tell you be that. Now waiting, I go tell you be that. Me meeting your boba me 50,000 give away why I know say people need that. People for Nigeria even need that. Families need that. Iwa be ya new boba. But I was so ashamed to see a lot of women. Can you marry a boy? Most of them even marry a boy. This of Yakbo, shortest one in Italy, marry a boy. The other one where be a kick up, marry a boy. The one where they bench or where they give money, so she marry Oibo. Iyo salobwa. Erie kie boy wagbu wase. They marry Igbo. These three people, so where she just give this money, so they are married to white men. I will work Igbo. I give away 10,000. Jimmy, laughing at my balance. Mona continue.
Fetaniano.
This woman is not be smart you. Hey. Now she gonna feed Oibo wife.
It is all love from me to you. Thank you. So that it will not be too long. It will not be chicken. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's okay, so there will not be too more. Mommy Susie, Mama, Dr. Joy, bless her. And me also want to bless her. And even Mama Felicia. I need to take. I won't be very 5, you know. You hear? You.
He said, "May they use and buy fish till they cook." Or when you are de bewari, and you are me ya abo hebo. Iwawu. Easy. Monica when you are de bewari, or hono guy 5, 10,000 naira, even if not 5. Yes, na. Hew. People will marry Oibo. He marry me born on there.
Why do you want that some people?
Who be the people? Who be the people where they want use your 10,000 naira bevariete de nyenye? A bevariete where they don't use their money buy. Now they want a nyenye presenter where load goat meat for fridge. Who they want use your 10,000 naira bevariete nyenye Monica? Now this one people go feel say I don't like you. Me, I don't get issue with you. The reason why you see me sit down for your matter will be say, now so you self they do me. You have never talked about me good on this media. Now the same market, this rose one buy so when me they come out can sell for her just now. Because boy na no ye pure when na to TV kwena. She never see person where use needle and try so for her. Or my me can't go say na she confirm me na the same Italy we did. Na she fair confirm me. Somebody say na Akiko o come mu pass. All this one not be shame and disgrace. May who they want use fish where they don't use their money to buy take phone for? Me we go carry 300, 400. I'll fair go buy goats. Go market, buy it in stock house. Now me they want use 10,000 naira be what they take phone for. I been a credit where be say a fridge even big pass my passage. I want 10,000. My network, you behave yourself. Oh, I want use 10,000. A be what they take phone for. Wa gbolokoshi. Have poverty-stricken people here. They will do live video. They will wear cocoa shoe. You go, they look, they say, this person get money. Oh, this one, oh, Imano, Obama sinya eh. If people they tell on our office, say, Obama sinya eh. Monica ide ni ya luwome. These are the people that will come online to talk. In winama genya ya winner. So they want to go buy bottle water put for us. They left or not say that they go work. They are not working. They know they work. Me wait day here, so I have more than 9 occupations. 9. Me wait just sit down so. Say Monica just they disgrace all of them. Akiko see you like yes now, Queen Smith. How can she come out publicly to declare that now she they buy on a fish, now she they buy on a maggi, now she they buy on a this? Una de Oibo house. Why will she do that? There are some giveaway where person go they do. You will see so person they say, come on dear, you get money, come on for that. You understand? You will see another person in you get money, they go. You were married, boy, I bet come on, not be you I want to give it. You will see another person in. You say they go. Even some of those Ogbu wife, the real Ogbu wife, they over their comment section, they say, they'll say, you not go give me. They'll say, I better go, you where your husband get it. I better come up for that. Again, Nigeria radio. She now the advice, they say, even if Nigeria, they make they go buy. Ni ado vio, where ya the stew, ni ado mu mane presenter, ni ado ya nyeni ma. Ebeva de diya ma you got that thing there. Ha! ça va là e go bo gbe me as a day na occupation I get. If I not do nails, I will do eyelashes, I will do hair, I will install wig, I will fix with Von, I go see work for Oibo, plate Oibo and join self. Sell different things, sell clothes, sell jewelries, sell anything sellable. Me, my occupation self, even they go level. As me consider now, somebody now go come tell me say, Queen, I just want to support you. I just want to help you. I will give you 10,000. May you take buy 3 a be what yes it. Eti me ata my way e worry. E stress e gbo dai. E stress e gbo dai. Or I feel you call in say he at the book where says Osaba bless you e worry you go me. Yeah, so I see anybody no re comment section. Check a comment section. Anybody know the where remove the government jane. E di wo big me yawo. Abo wo ke bo 3 women. This obiakbo we dey tally show. Ebo o wa be genya. Oni me kiro babu wa ge ero supesi o. The other one we dey benjo. Ebo we ye bebe. Anytime no ya je Nigeria, awala yo megbere o, awala yo megbere o. Akiko igeto ibo. Na gide be wari evionana. Saloboa. Wayawu. Iwu waya. Ni lelebo epo de. Nebo do wana ebo na do wana. Nebo di moto na di moto ne. Nebo guso wa na ebo na guso wa na. Ogu wa. Waze asosa. Agide be wari de ikwe arubara. Ize no fwa wawe anytime give you wa nwa miae uwa dishi wana lata ana fi mare binio de ti pe do wariye wana ni ya mare bo trust me ikpedo I know there for one thing am pride iyan hian kwe no wo we do akoke ovo kiyan ikpedo iyan kwo ni ya o so wa we roya ma keke no na mi ko but soro even if we nye madukun we ma weto but era any our stock wa steady oh when we are report many but oh no e do amegbe we no e do amegbe eri ya ro wa no di dele ni era yo you understand e di gbe do so ye le wa na we e o wa le gbe do wa marebo adien di tagi daru bara viogu wa owozu on wa je no wa na si Nigeria awala yo megbere wa gido wa yo sami kurita ma be do gbona de kurita me gbe mo be ni han
wa re mommy boy job because again iya disrespect ere gbe la lo ni se Monica la le ni se Monica no ni sangbu wa ba gbon
sangbu e ni sangbe di
yi ahin no la lo ni sangbe lu wa
sangbu
ni mama
amano pa ko ehia wo to bo wedu lelega
mommy Ellie omaje wa
please share the video, okay guys, don't worry about the views. After we drop the video, views will come, people will come and watch it.
9 10
people will come watch them.
11 12 1 minute. Hey, Mommy Felicia, I trust you. Wawa ye. Bebari and wow, everything.
Or Wakiko, I trust you. Why you talk I trust you or a way in way alalo we him. Awaka we kawahi. Nye keta we I trust you or a way yes. Or when no ga 10 cents to the we are iladian. Ari de Monica de Rukmon wajo. Or si o ilajo we only do wa. No ma who saw the else one. What do you expect? because account number wa vione, a family account wa, a new wa ya, a secret wa, or baluwa boane. Edio ya baluwa formation wa, ba me 10,000. Waya de bevarie. A web mania. A egwi owe la live video son ago. E bevarie, e bevarie, e bevarie, e bevarie. E kwe muwa. What? Like, they tell me why it's only you be so why ho. Because any shame and disgrace na him. Ama why we your bonoma? Ama why we say ne be? There is a difference between omana iwa like only what she woni done. Mi gona ya debe warie wa ya manage. I waste your yearly. What that's omanu suseni hinia imani suseni hinia. Maybe to what ya kiko no work ya kiko. Odiome wata mama ni wa support you me 500k. Akiko me 200k. Akiko me 1 we watch akiko we no do 10,000 no ya debe warie. O idene no do ya anyanyima. Gele no dia deni ane na akiko yen wa we video. O do win na ye 10,000 no rie ne ya debe warie. E no panore benjo the same thing. E rosupesio the same thing. Uwa mi wa gbon infinity no ro ma ide gbe years since net ya ni wa de. Or post ona emi we ka post gbera nenu ma me pele mommy. When we post there say who send you? Nobody send you. We wa lay edenu bia le ladian. O me no saloba ya punish on my head. That is why you don't mock God. O me no saloba ya punish on my head. That is why you don't mock God. Your first issue with Asaboro was a first warning to you from God. But una we anu saloba tani wuhon we no ro worry on hado. Don't worry. A day will come. When I analyze the matter money kana, a matter where I am you to. You are going to feel it. Why must to feel it? Boy by we say, ya ba wa vital base. Wa bi winner, wa your big u we na ze dia winner. De na mi we e reface we. Ana e ke mu na winner. Wa gbegbera 1 week iva. You will know say na any trade free food this do cyberspace. Ugele yewe yes, any trade to obun sema. Uwe na ana mi we ne mi ke mu na winner. When I win a company the 1 week, you go know. Why they lose the win anime? Where they be winning away? Who tell you? You are going to pay so dearly. Joke, threat, maybe you are going to pay so dearly. Because why? If you know your boy, no, but me 10,000 a baby money. But me 10,000 a baby money. Ari woni mare bove ya ebo mami jeep opari enuwa wa me white jeep ya gege na no mo viere e jeep no fi claro di no e jeep ni human no fi e body fi obo me ken wana ozo e bonu wana mare e rosi no roni agwa nyunwaga wa ogwa nyunwaga very short e deni mioi ona ya welcome mama. Oh yeah, welcome mama na we na video yin. Ije, ona we na video yin. Ina wa bege. Akusana. Oh ye tek bebe. Ona ye tek begi noto. Even we gbe kokoshu. O ma ye we so man izabo. Na we get na short o. Ona we do agbon we live video. But ina wa get na me zo no ni don wa get at. You understand? Akiko kwe we tanse. No we yo irosi no ro. Very you the shortest woman in Italy nye wano. Nye no. Why wa marebu? Eki roba fo wuwa. Ekio dere abi ekiere fo wuwa. Wa agbi ko ni robo do sinye kia. Unu wa menanwe ebo mare. Amamigo ya mo. I can do anything I like. I ya mu when anybody. Ebo mare. You can do anything you like. Or when you are mu where you gigman. we total no reason any. Ebo marry. What is that supposed to mean? For you to even say ebo marry means you are a married woman. We single by way a boy date. There is difference between a boyfriend or when you move anywhere. A boy date or when a boy marry. Wa bon. Ave squad de bebade squad. Gagbon wa. Still na life. You ba we ga here.
Wa bon. Wa you a dinosaur.
De maman do ya.
On vie bola o. Igi rien fo bobo no ya lo da bo rien gian gui. Iyan mosto gui. I really appreciate everybody. Almost all of you were writing the same.
Una know wetin make me dey vex for this Monica sometimes. She go feel say if they break, na a problem, na the whole person. Like our issue, na the whole person. Now wetin make me dey vex for Monica be that. When a dead bena, ihuwe Monica, yari winner. Ni school. When a boy have a future to avoid to avoid this type of life these women are passing through. Ni we winner. Then ni menjena. Most of the time I work from home. Yes. Most of the time I work from home. I have a lot of sites. I do more of my business online. I have what is they call Amazon. I have Amazon. I get AliExpress. I get other sites. Why for they sell my things? Why for guest store? Why for they pay dues monthly? And I see they say I do my business more of or as in online. Now me remove her from live video. Now me carry my business come up for live video. Because when I bring out on live video, I know that yes, business they crash on live video. Those cyberspace. I know. They know they support your business. That's one thing you must know. They don't support your business. Some go even they jealous you, some go they vex for you, some go want be like you, safe. So they don't promote your business on those cyberspace. I know before I even buy those things, I already know that I will be doing it online. Yes, I know I'll be selling it online. As I tell you guys, I do more online business. As I did, so I know how many YouTube I get. As I did, so I know that is why people go they see me say, Queen, how you tell they cope, how you tell they survive, how you tell they flex, how you tell they do this. Yes, I don't need to come they raise my body. I still they I don't see to get, but I just they struggle to set my future to avoid being in Europe at the age of 30 years in Europe. Fellow woman like me, where not they work, where husband not they work, go back, come they feed me. No. I don't need those kind of life. You understand? Monica, if they break, if not be this Rose will send me message, will make me consider analyze this your video. Me, I will just do my lappy. I have to check things, do things. The ones when I'll go send them. Sort out my businesses. I don't wake up since 6 o'clock. The time I see the work follow person, I they wake up 5 o'clock. But as I stop work, I start waking up 6 o'clock. Every day I set my alarm, except maybe the day where be say I do online for night. I do things till maybe sometimes I can't sleep around 4. Now your face say I wake up late. If not, I wake up 6. 6 my alarm don't ring, I don't stand up. First thing, if I stand up for bed, I'll go bath. If I dey bath, they come, I'll dress my bed. You see this my bed, so that dog bike can say everybody show bed. Even this shortest woman in Italy. I'm on your bed already. She not come and can't do competition. Not to show a bed. Me, I don't need to come to show my because every day they show my. They see my bed. Not already see my bed from top to bottom. I don't know my bed. I not be waiting at the head. You see this bed as I take dress and so now so it go dirty the evening. If I want sleep now, for me to just remove the blanket. Before now 2 blankets I they use 2 at a time because that time maybe cold day where I know they too like heater. Because they make me get anytime I'm on it, I get it. So I prefer to use 2 blankets at a time to avoid any cold. Maybe you know say person don't sleep go. If you can't open body down, if it maybe it's not enter my bed. So I they use 2 blankets. Some I don't come I use one. This bed now where they see, so you know they see bed spread with the Tommy Lee. Now they, I get a lot of all these marker things what they use. For one sleep in the night, I'll just enter, or maybe for one sleep afternoon sleep, I'll feel your theater, I'll sleep. If I stand up, I'll see spread down. Now so I don't mop all this assist clean everywhere. I not get you the way they don't know that for us, but I like to perceive scent. If my house not a scent, I know they okay. It must not dirty. Now that scent I don't need. If I just put that mopping water, put any mopping soap, put scent, join and use and wipe the whole house, clean the whole house. House must not be dirty. Or scent here. Those things are all money. Now money they take the buyer, the soap, the everything, the this one, I've been a fridge with this side. Everything costs money. You understand? But you can't see me go and stand on a giveaway of 10,000 naira. Can they stretch and say, make them give me? Me never even marry, but me one and the love single. Queen is a single. Queen is a single. You will pray to be like me. The brain when me get, if to say many of una get on, if not do a shower for this Europe. Not be joke. The brain when me get, if to say many of una get on, una for not do a shower. Because you can easily be making your money. Even if say maybe the money must not be thousand. Even people where they get 50,000, you know go get her one day. Thanks for joining my lady Vivian. You know go get her one day. Is now step by step go the save her. Until one day you see and say yes, he ring 1,000 there. But these women they come to Europe. These 3 women so we come marry both so where they beg for baby so they come Europe. They were doing a shower work. A shower work where they do? They were doing intimidation. If their mates buy Bugatti, they want buy Bugatti. If their mates buy Coco, they want buy Coco. If their mates buy handbag, they want buy handbag. That is why they end up at this their stage. They are begging for a baby. God forbid. I reject her. I can never beg. No be even say even if I want beg, I'll beg much. I will not say yes. I need that big money. I want to do something. Maybe say my pocket self not rich. Now you see me say I beg. Call they beg for 10,000 and I beg. Where be say I will get person for Nigeria. Be say if I tell and say I need bushmeat, you go just buy this one or uzo this one. They will just dry am. Egile will just for you go just buy and pack and go give them for they will bring and call for me. It full my fridge. I call the beg for useless a baby. So when la who Mona bring una ego. Are ego wana no Obama yasu why na wa beg baby na bring it down. May God bless una. Una yo the evil won't spoil una. Person one will know say this person can help you in the nearest future. Why you hold ya ewa? At the end the bag when you banwa. Why do I behave
same people name, yes.
That share the video, okay?
Everybody. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
and they come
8,
quick,
9,
come on my
10,
clock.
11, 12, 13, 14. It's okay. It's okay. So that the money will be big enough for a year to buy a baby. Buy. And why do we give this money? It's just a token of thank you during this time. You guys keep all of us busy. You guys keep us laughing. You guys keep us informed. Not be all of us they waka as me be. I know they waka when I dey busy. And I they do people they follow me, they do saga. I not really they do, but I just they like carry your wallet, they go that side nonsense sticker. So I really don't have time to look everywhere, but still on stay. People were so busy bringing the important one, not all the one we should notice. Yes. So the people where I put their name here, Mama Progress Dominio, Beta Pekin, Sale Good News, Babana Baba, Monica Heart Too Soft, Spicy Gist, Miss Sugar, Ziki, Becky Blog, Mami Constant, Fetanyano,
Guys, I don't
Mommy Susie, Mama Felicia,
I'm back.
Mama Boy, please, I will put Lucy because she always was recording for me.
The record for her.
I really was busy. And sometimes even the place
Obalisa,
even go for me just to give me reports. Lucy Kare, after all, they in Nigeria. Edali in Nigeria. Lucy Kare.
So now your 10,000 now I go make it easier for her stop. Monica, I said your 10,000 naira and I go make their ear for Nigeria shop. Una go listen, una go hear what she they give them that money just now till they do. Una go listen by una self, una go hear what she they give them that money till they do. Una go hear yours now.
Thank you so much. Because sometimes if I say I need something like this, we told him we know Gualeri Gumo okay, you God bless you.
Oh wow, we told him we now.
I really appreciate
the same thing they do to Infinity Saga. Infinity Saga, a doctor hospital on in when I remember Guloba. A vema here got Guloba, don't die focus. Bere, a workers, when you go, you are using workers. A workers in here, and we told him now, God, they didn't need a go. Oh, man, we not mighty bow, ye. Or mighty fear, any year, worry, bring a cookie, because their money now, you see the shopper. Where I beg me, I go name Wowa, we are both us who are donated to a 2 kobo, 2 cents in the other side. So that once una saga starts, now you go wrong, come and they say, you do this one for them, you do this one for them. Whereas the one where they do for you for his house, you not go talk. See your life. Monica.
Okay, please keep
guys, please share, okay, share.
Enjoyment of social media going. Not like keep loving Monica. It's not by force. I love that genuine love where they make ti. And somebody say, Monica, don't bother, you won't have genuine love. Shut up your man, you know how many genuine.
You see, if they tell them, may they keep up the work where they work. Now somebody tell them for comment section, you know, you can never get genuine love again for your life. Now I call the person, make the person shut up. Whether you know what to be genuine, you will take get genuine. Will be say the time when you get fights now, will be say your lover supposed to come support you freely without collecting a dime from you, but you have to pay them to come and be saying trash. Or say we need because why? They are being paid. Yes, if they're not doing, you give them money, you go vex for them. The work where you send them, if they're not doing the way you send them, you go vex for them. You feel even lie on top of their head, saying now you defeat their generation. You understand? Person go tell you the truth of your life. You go the phone, say this and this. Somebody now, I tell you, say you don't get genuine lovers. Which is true, you don't have. Order your mates. How many times you don't see people get saga because they say, now that time they'll call they do giveaway. Even Queen Rita as a fan base big rich, you don't ever see Queen Rita they do giveaway for fans. You don't ever see her talk say she want to give away for bullies. She don't even get bullies. Talk say she want to give away for them. Have you seen it? The answer is no. But what I mean, then you will come at Odosha. We see the go front. Man, never rush.
Why you mommy boy job because again
okay, shit down.
For me to detect ye love they throw away them and I know they care. It's true love.
I put that for my face.
The true love.
I don't feel
this social media that ye love. If I dey throw away today, damn me, because I know say I go use. If I throw away one ye love, I'll use 20 real love to replace them. In short, even the 100 true love we fed they go pamper me the moon. Where get the jodo So, truly speaking, I would say everybody we appreciate you. Keep enjoying what you are doing.
You see?
Not
You dey hear? They tell them say make them keep to the bully innocent people. And make them they enjoy now why they are bullying those people. Make them they enjoy as they drag people parents. Make them they enjoy as they follow people up and down. Where they put their family for problem and their service. She said make them they enjoy now. Una they see Monica. She want twist her like say she gets sense. But we know where she they go. Listen for that.
Loving Monica. Keep loving Monica is a free will that you guys do, and you do it with all your heart. You will not be compensated for that. God will bless you for that. But
you hear?
Because what you are doing, you enjoying it, and you doing it.
You hear? He say, for if they love her, he say na God will bless them. He say she not go compensate them for that. He said, but because of the bully, where they bully innocent people, parents, children, and that they enjoy those jobs where they do, that is why she go to give them money. When I listen,
doing it. Please keep enjoying social media. If you're on social media and you're not enjoying it, now you sabi. Please try to stay inside where you know you enjoy.
Okay.
Please. If you know you enjoy that side, go.
Okay.
I will not call you. I will not even mention your name.
Shut up your mouth. The many way don't come out where they go where they enjoy. Why you call their name? Call they drag them. Eh? The ones where call the where you come out by their self where detect say woman and sick we send a lena we name you woman. Why you go they drag them? Now you are telling people that you know you are not this and this. Anywhere where they want go, make they go. You will be saying that you come out. If you're a lab, eh? The ones where you don't sag, not because they go leave you.
Some people they miss for you. I know they notice. Okay? It no mean say we be no love you, but at the same time, they say if you love somebody, you allow that person to be. That is me. If I love you, I will allow you to have your peace. I will allow you to do what you like. That's what I love. Okay? So please.
So your ex-friend where you call the saga for Facebook, your friend for many years where you call the saga, where you say, no, you say if you love person, you go leave and make do it. Why you not leave that one where that one can't talk, say the house where you go do shine your shine fake? Why you know because of the love where you love that one, no saga that one? Eh? No, you just say if you love them, no matter what they do, you will just everything where maybe say who don't first support you financially, anyhow they support you. Once they leave you, where they saga them, why you not reason and say, oh, for the good time's sake, make I leave her? Why? Why? I beg you. Mona Delisio.
Don't be here.
This how she go
and
pay
be
me.
Emotional in your own mental health and be sending it to me. No. If you know where your heart is, where you want to follow them. Nothing. Yeah? If I not get you back tomorrow, maybe in
after she don't pay them finish, she can't the advise me.
Try, Shebi, you see how we take select and just, thank you all. So, I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Keep enjoying what you are on social media for. Keep enjoying.
Una here? All those bully now where she called their name so now where she don't give money so. She say me they keep enjoy waiting they social media for to bully innocent people. That is why when I say for the past 2 days, all of them they cry like bingos. All those things what they say that they do, they fit another person not sabi do one. Everybody sabi do one. Everybody. Me, I feel even do those things, I'll put jara. But sometimes I will just look there and say, all this one, the way God will take punish them. Because before you they do person something, you have to reason and say, how God go to see this thing? You understand? That is why you see me, I don't jump from saga to saga. I don't fight because so many people say me they fight for Queen Rita. If I see say person they talk to Queen Rita anyhow, you they accuse her wrongly, or una one gather saga her for something where she be innocent, I will come out and stand by her. I will let the world know that now una find her trouble. She no need una. I will do that for free. And I will not do it because of say, may she can't give me 10 naira, may she can't give me 20 naira. No. No. Me and Kurita friendship, we don't do it because of 10 naira kobo, a bevaria, a crayfish. We don't do it. It's just normal, natural. Just normal. Money is not even involved. Remove money at all. Money, kaka, you know, they. Now, person will be say, my man just, I've been on media for, Monica, the last said she did social media for 10 years. No, Monica, you are not up to 10 years on a cyber space. You are 7 years. Don't lie. If you lie, I will bring your first video to you. You are not up to 10 years. You are 7 years on a cyber space. So stop lying. If it be say you feel they use Facebook or you don't feel they go Facebook, but you are 7 years on a cyber. So don't come and be using your I don't date 10 years. I see say that no. Before you come Facebook, you come meet people here. People were here before you. Any man celebrated 10 years or 11 years or 12 years. You are 7 years. Stop to the lie. You understand? The way me tell the support Kurita, I will say na so una tell una supporters, me they tell they behave for outside. Media for no even scatter like this. Because there are some things I want to do. Kurita say no, Queen, no. Oh my those ones not be best in here. Una will not be like that. You just they share money for them. And be you away they give people money. We even just say, that one as you don't go media now your tone. And at this thing you saga abia you are put say abia you are they give people money make they cost you when nobody know. The reason you keep having issue with people is because you are always jealous. You like to play pity party game. You always like to be the victim. You come by do face meal like say that they suffer you, like say that they stress. Whereas now you start the problem. The time when they use skin flock or biker, many people go see those videos. The video you did when they use skin flog or biker, make them go see the video. Or biker don't they reply you now, you can't do face meal. As he say you never even insult or biker once. As he say when this saga starts, since this saga starts, now when you sit down your own biker can't carry you the saga. All those your game where you they play, we they know. We will be presenters, we they know. We are not your fans. I can't stay on your video to watch you 1 hour, 2 hours, even 30 seconds. I can't watch your video. Now people they call me say, Queen, Monica insult you. Monica analyze your video. Monica, I don't go there to say I want to see your video. Wait till I want your video to do. Yeah. Person will last spoil. If she wear the shoe, she go to tell you say this shoe is the best shoe. Once she remove her leg from that shoe, she will begin to tell you say that shoe is a nonsense shoe, it's a enemy shoe, it's a bad shoe. That one a person. Omani here. You come online to be telling people do this, do that. They tell people may they go they 5%, and now if they tell them say anyone way not they fight for you. Now they know. See what they talk. Come on, listen.
On fake account for. Okay, what you are on fake account for. The reason why you open fake account. Please keep doing it. Their name is here.
You hear? He said waiting they open fake account for. The reason why they are on fake account, may they please, may they keep doing it. Me now, I will still use this medium to talk to other people fans. I know say if you are not there yet for this video, no, I will come later. Yes. If live video be like this, so no say somebody else, somebody somewhere, they online. Where be say if they talk about, if they do maybe now the saga just see the ring. You know say the person they online. Now they get me. I know say after that they will come here. Now, if you know that you are a supporter of anybody on this media, please buckle up. Yes. If you know say you dey fake accounts, you love somebody, you dey support somebody, you like somebody, and you see say this person is true, na innocent, buckle up your, be active. Let me just say it that way. Be active. Okay? Always, even if you no fit cut video, just do right up. Always do right up. Okay? Even if you are like that is, even if you are a Quirita fans, you are Lolo fans, you are anybody fans, at this point in time, because not be only Quirita now, not be Monica the bully. Not be only Lolo Monica the bully. Not be only Beatrice Ogbaika, cannot be Monica the bully. If you know that you are a Beatrice Ogbaika fans, you be Quirita fans, you be Lolo fans. This one not be say with a fight settlement or we want to settle, we want to do it. No, because Monica don't also go do and go pay. She even pay. They always pay for the love what people they give her. But our own is free. We give it for free. That is why it's genuine. That is why it's original. I may not get chances how many days. Yes, because sometimes I'll just sit there busy. Now, not say I see they go school, join this my own. You understand? Before I come read book, I tell to a customer, go deliver goods, do this one. They don't dark. Sometimes I go even the verse. If I don't come live video, they are the verse. People where they around me, they know if I don't see opportunity or chance, come live video, body or they pay me. Now they get me. If not be somebody where see comment for my video this morning, just now say, I post the thing already, my post yesterday. Person come comment put this morning say, wait till I do this those best you where they tally. I was like, she talked to me because I don't know. I don't know. Not be say I don't know, say because of say I'll come say people where they know everything where they go and no. There are some people they get the way they take they watch all platform. Me that they block me. I know they get access to all these people platform. They block me. If they had, they say I'll just okay, somebody like this talk to you. Then I have to switch to that, to switch to page when I'll fit to see that person. Wait till they talk. That's why I take catch this Rosumunda. Now they get me so. So my amazing people, anybody where you they support, this is the time. Don't let Monica 10,000 win you and who you they support. Be active. Even if you say this small lizard still there Facebook, if she there, no worry. Me they only na biti the ongre ya big but you know Napoli by me not fair well. Me I don't talk and say I know they come for people first, but if you come for me, I will twist your head. If I twisted and your way twist if you for. Now so it be, but I will not come for you first because I get my reason. I will not do that. I know how about punish on my bar. But once you come for me, Bible if you talk and say you do me, I do you, man, not the verse. So my amazing people, please, anybody you are supporting. Even if your page is not, your Facebook is not a page, your fake account is not a page, write, just write. When you write it, people see it, we share it. When you do anything, we see it, we share it. We can even analyze it because not be the same when I get, not be you get. Not be the one where you get, not be the other person get. So let's try to cross our finger together and make sure we place this Monica to where she belongs. And this team, all these people who marry or Iboso, the one who marry Blackie, all of them, now she they feed them with 10,000 naira a barrier. Let us show her what real love means. To love somebody genuinely. Anybody will love person genuinely, your reward now every day. But you when you go the follow person because of money, even God the verse for you. God no go reward you. God, you not get any connection with God. My lady said, exactly, I always share. Thank you, my lady, Mama Chelsea. Yes. I see many of una. Una fifi say, oh, una just they do things we not they notice. If I show you, there are some book I write fast, name put. Yes. I have some book. I write fast name put. Me, I know they like to come the show say see because I know presenter there be anything. They fit carry your name go juju place. They fit carry your name go juju place. So that is why I see active fans of Quirita, of a lot of people, even some of my fans. I see the way that they I see active people. You understand? And una name is the day one place. Because even if say reward they come, or we want to let you people know that all these things you have been doing, you say we know the same with the same. you yourself go shock. And we will not bring you out on media to come the disgrace person. Thanks for joining Mama Sayano Seba. Come bring her, come media, come the disgrace person. They say, this one, a baby at the end anyway. They baby at the end way. Alright, they baby at the never. He said, my name must be there, you know now. He said, my name must be there. If you're there, don't go there. You understand? We have the list. We our own supporters, they be like our family. If I dey pass through anything, I feel call say I prefer to talk to fake account where be supporter than to talk to my own best friend. Yes. But that fake account must know so okay, this person can't reconcile the way they stand. If things they swap like this one a person will be say yes, you fit anything, no level. This one already look like you finish. You understand? So when they see all those things, and I go see bless una, and I say the let una they know say una reward now for heaven. We don't need to come and if we come and say okay, nah, Mama Chelsea 10,000, use and back okra. If they shop that okra, make sure say Monica they watch you. Mama Sayano Sebra. If you buy cockroach, make sure say that cockroach use and cook beans. Put them for life with the memo. These are all rich women, for crying out loud. These are all rich women and rich men. Now different way they do good for this life. Some people they don't even need money. They don't need money. You understand me? Now they get me so my people. Hello? Yeah, I did like video where they come around up and call you back. Okay, the red don't stop. Okay. All right. Now they get me. Please. There are some, I think to say, okay, this not be all good person they use money till they do. There are some assistants. There is a way we support ourselves indoors. Where be say nobody go here. If they deal with mature people, you know that you are dealing with mature people. Yes. If you they deal with mature people, you know that you are dealing with mature people. If you they deal with cockroach, you know say they deal with cockroach. My lady say, I don't need anything. I just love Mommy Rita, the Terence and Sister Queen. Thank you, my lady Mama Chelsea. You understand? Not be say, even if say you don't need anything, say maybe there are things you feel your see, we feel your city help. You feel they look for something for Africa. Better land to buy you, or better this you, or better place to buy food stuff, even better place to drink pepper soup. I feel give you the locations. Okay, Mama, if you go here, pepper soup you chop here. No, you understand? There are different ways to support ourselves than to come on live video. Then you see their life now. 3 women married to white men, and Monica they feed them. Oh yeah, they be they under competition. Is this how to do good? No. Somebody said, Rosemary, continue to they jump like monkey for now. You no relevant. Yes, now she not relevant. Now small bit, I'll give her small bit yours now. She sent message to me, which I will analyze. Okay, Mona just patient. I'm coming for her. I just want to end up with this Monica where they beg for love. You understand? When I don't feel call Kurita for this Facebook. Mama bear no verse, no verse. Say I want to talk this thing. Okay, I know say you know say me. You trust me. You don't say anything we talk. You know they come online. Yeah, but I just want to say this because of this issue when I talk. So I think it's inside last year, right? I think it's inside last year. Me and Kurita called the talk. I called the Kurita say she called the tell me say she don't know what she go do for her fans. Now I'm gonna say Mama do give away. You understand? I call say Mama do give away. She said no. She said she no do giveaway. I could say, Mama, why you don't like to do giveaway? Say no. He said because she no want say the love where her fans get for her. Say she they pay for that love. You understand? She said the love where her fans get for her. She said she no want to pay for that. She said even if not 10 people love her, she won't see those 10 people. She know how to reward people. She know how to do things for people. You feel how they do party, you not go even expect say Queen go come. As I say you be a fans and you tell her she go bust there, she go come there. You go see her, go be like say you won't faint. She go come there, you will see her. Even though the place, no matter anywhere you there for this life, but now how you take day active, how you take show your love. She tell me say, she said no. She said, Queen, you know, she not go do giveaway. Say because she won't know people where love her genuinely. Why I talk these things? These are the difference between Queen Rita and Red Rice. Now you are using money to beg people to fight for you. Queen Rita not even they give anybody shit, but the love is massive. Same goes to other people. Very fine reason. Yes. Same goes to other people. Do you know that Queen Rita one of the see so she dey buy wig share for people who not the waka. Yes, she dey buy wig share for people. She dey donate food stuff to widow. She dey share wrapper to widow. She share things to orphanage. I'm just telling you guys this, but she no be. Una no say Queen Rita no like bring all those things come media. Me now na access it. Me una no say me I must talk small. Maybe as I even talk and reach now I don't reach. I'm not saying this because of say I want to help. No, this is what she's doing. But you can't see it online. Queen Rita don't carry food. Go one presenter orphanage. Yes, for this Facebook. That orphanage no say na Queen Rita bring that food stuff come. Na Queen Rita do one. Me, I know. I know if you talk today, I not talk nobody. That is, we don't be passing go they do something in idiot 10,000 euro, idiot 1,000 euro. Affect Chris. Eh? Somebody when me I don't want to talk many things. Any answer my people. You understand? It's good to be good. That's all. If you want to do good, do it for God, not be for people. The help we could I don't do for people. Money can never even do one where they share 10,000 so. 1,000 so. Una don't know how many widow bike I don't feed for this Facebook. How many should they use to they sing? Or bike away they so una don't know how many widow she don't feed. When they say they use until they say you come online video, Osato Soto, you 10,000, Dokas, you 5,000, Moki, you 2,000, Infinite, you. It makes sense. No, all those on our eye service good. We don't do it. We not even they take and we not they give her. So Monica, for you and this your giveaway where you go to beg fake account, may they continue to the bully. You use and disgrace, they not be good. You use and do for them. You understand me? So that one are for you. So now my amazing people, I be mona draw share name. Let's listen to a message where Rosekia, aka the shortest woman in Italy, make we listen to the message where she sent for me, Queen Show. Yeah, let's listen to her. If the message makes sense or it not make sense. Okay, more listen to her. Rosekia.
Message to Queen, the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you.
Larry, point of correction. Shortest woman in Italy. Who be your sister? Who married twin? You don't know people where your papa and who your ma boo. Who be your sister? Who were defiant one? Who were desire? Be ogun buwe abi the Chris. Wait till they worry this one. Eh? Who were suhungu? Are you a learner? Message to Queen, goddaughter to Queen Rita, this one, that one. My sister, who be your sister, I beg? Let somebody explain to me. Who be this girl's sister? La revi ya wuyanti away. How twin? Who were be o my benukede? You don't know how many of your family members. You don't know your cousins and your relatives. I tell be your sister. Who were sungwa? Abu Junye sister. Oh, well, welcome my sister. Wa de buenya wa gbon dan mo gbabe. Goddaughter to name. Ah, Lord, yari. Usuhungu. Come, my sister. Who be your sister? Wanna listen to her again? Oh, na me. Go stand for one place. They talk to me. You not be better person. I just na manage I will take the listen to this your video. A man go ma gbongun buwia. E na ma mi agbo ma gbongun avedo agwe we no can you wait ebu no kegun ave live video. You don't know your mate. Awo we la de my sister ikma gboewa. Ma tun. Ah Lord yari wa gun dan.
Oh, listen to Queen. Queen, the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you.
This one where you talk now, you spoil everything. This one, first one where you talk now, my sister, if I were not with me area. Edamwe, lao, a family member water. You dey hear me so? My family we talk. My mom yak bobebe. Iwa entene, ye rameni ye wo mesef yenya. Women ni tama wena. Edek beda mwe. You go stand for table. You go carry table near what stand put you say you want to talk to me. Oh well lare my sister. Oh go gbera. You dey mad. Don't man know your sister away. Eh? Somebody say Kondo say kia God does that to echo better. God go punish. Yes, not my heart. I want ladian where come my sister. People they talk. You want your seat talk. You know, shut up. May you enter us. You look me like meat where you fish up. All the decent in your way. Abu mene. What log on no mama. They then we la nene Facebook una. They gbena mwe yo mwere. Why you when they find a frank in why get work over. That frank no we keep page no we get any ma we na we Facebook we gbo wa we got Facebook one gbe wa gun. Eh? I will the frank van I don't know why we may we frank minus my friends then we dey inside. He want the frank wa dan gbene why get gbo okay maniku why na be like that. I know say na the way frank te raise una. Yeah, te see Morocco na one on the side game Morocco you gbagbe. Eh? Avec Rosemary no be anyu ene Frankie. O be avase Queenie. Wa de buenya wa gun abi ko ni re bogodo. Na ma to tell you say you get a bonus so you get another amiro pa be gbo o wa ja ma mi palo we de. O pa ika ta we there on the way bring out your bed. E bed be wa gina. Mo we la di na beg ke nu bi. Ugu o wa wa gun. O wa we la de my sister. U lori area. Aburi oko. Meme. Oh, listen.
Because as they see the way you wait to the do your something for this social media where everybody did, especially
Larry, you they see the way I tell they do my things for this social medium. Not be even media, na medium. I bet my people, is it social media or medium? And I'm a look at beer. My people wanna see all this one. Not reply na be na wazobo. Ona asungu. No wa gwale family age kiana gwale boy gwale viera bi je kiana. Eh? Na reply no na because the way me they see this one is not correct. Which one be social media? I be they don't change the name, I don't know. Me I cannot go back some more. Eh, me no they do problem. No they kai wala come they meet me. Eh? If matter the Facebook I top put. We wa be dey ni on do fact bo awa. They no social media.
It's a social media where everybody did, especially the
social media. If not because of say I dey live, I for ask Google. I for type media, then I will come press and make speak loud, make I hear what he talk. They medium or be media. They not kerena. So he said social media. Now go be na fear for my people because me meti le na abe mani wa gbin na his name na gbe school fee never go na. If you are explaining today, it's a very terrible situation. Oh very I give a Peter so. On arrive now we get social media. Why do tana? Why can make can when I'm not allowed my sister make hot one? I make a poor way. Which can wala be all this one self? Uwe den your mom work berry. And let's say Queen just drop her for dustbin, please.
She no worth your time, please. Somebody say social radio. They don't change the name for a comment. Yeah, take care, oh, Baba. Oh, damn, oh, none of us let me face my life. Ni I don't go make the coach. Why see the boo up with Thanks for joining my lady, Mama Moyemi. Eh? We not women now. Eh? Nata manota se west you shortest woman in Italy. Udoye boy man enia. Social media.